Want to change your route in Waze without starting your trip all over again? In this video, I'll show you how to edit your route in Waze step by step. First, open Waze and enter your destination. Select the correct location, then tap Go to start navigation. Once your route appears, tap the route information at the bottom of the screen. To see other options, tap Routes. Waze will display alternative routes based on traffic, road conditions, and your navigation settings. Review the available options and tap the route you want to use. If you need to make a specific change, you can also add a stop to your trip. Search for the location, select it, and add it to your route. Waze will then recalculate the journey with your additional stop. Once you're satisfied with the changes, continue navigation using the updated route. And that's how to edit a route in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.